Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I had completely forgot that I have this box right here that I need to share with you guys. I was getting ready to walk out the door and I said, okay, let me stop and do this right now. So this video is being sponsored by Fabfitfun, and in case you are not familiar with them, which you should be, they are a lifestyle subscription box that comes out seasonally. I absolutely love this box. They have amazing items in there. I'm sure you guys have seen this on my channel because I talk about them all the time. If you're not signed up with them, you can check the link down below. That way you'll get $10 off of your first subscription. They are $49.99 for every season, which comes out, their box comes out every 3 months. But if you use my code, you'll get $10 off, and you're guaranteed to get products in your box that is over $200. So I'm telling you, it's a good box to have. Now today's box is items that are from their flash sale, their fall flash sale, and it's their editor's edition. So because I don't want to get anything wrong and I always forget certain little key points about some of the stuff, I want to go ahead and read my notes. Okay, so the edit sale says, it is a quarterly sales event for subscribers. After it finishes sending out the seasonal boxes, items in the edit sale come from the past boxes, past add-ons, and new items for 25 to 70% off, and you can add up to 3 items to your cart. So with that being said, you will get these items at a really good discounted rate, which is why it's their flash sale or editor sale, whichever one you want to call it. But I do know that the items that you will get in here is going to be marked down really well. So I'm going to quit running my mouth and show you guys what they sent me. Okay, so I did do a sneak peek. I did open it up and I kind of looked at some of the stuff. Now the first thing I did see, and this one is open because I absolutely love this. I tried it out. It's by Melinda Lee Home. It's an energy setting spray. I didn't even know that you can get like an energy setting spray, and let me tell you, it says it has frankincense, ginger, and Palo Santo in it, and I love burning Palo Santo, sage, all of that stuff. So this was super cool. That's what it says, cruelty-free, vegan. Let's see if I can get this open. And you guys, it smells amazing. If you are into stuff like this, or if you like burning incense, or just anything that kind of gives that your home like that good vibe, or you know, to put that good frequency in your space, this, you should try it out. It smells so good. And that's what I mean about these subscription boxes, is that you'll get stuff that you've never tried before or didn't even know anything about, because I didn't know nothing about that. Okay, so then you got this Rock Your Hair Hot Curls Thermal Curl Spray. Look at that bottle. Isn't that cute? It's all bedazzled. I love that. So this is in here. It says long-lasting curls. Get long-lasting heat-styled curls that hold all day and all night long. And this is 10 fluid ounces. So that must be something good. I don't use hairspray, so I won't use that. What else is in here? Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Now, I'm usually against lip plumper for myself because I don't really need it. But I will say, I did put this on, long-term hydration. I did put a little bit of this on, and I actually liked it. And it is a little tinted, and the color is called Cranberry Crush, and I love this. So I'm actually gonna be using this. It didn't make my lips all super plump, but they felt nice. That's what I will say. Who is this by? It just says Grand Lips Cranberry Crush. So instantly improves lip volume in 3 to 5 minutes, 90% fuller looking lips, 97% lips feels hydrated. What I will say is my lips did feel hydrated, so I love that. Skin Authority Reviving Eye Brightener. What did this one say? I know I looked at it. Massage around the delicate area of the eye, avoiding direct contact. Use fingertip to apply to upper eyelid and brow line in case of contact. Okay, yeah. So that's how you use that. and I haven't gave this a try yet, but I will. But this is definitely something, if you're looking into needing a eye brightener, this will probably be something you should pick up, just because I know Skin Authority is a really good brand. Okay, my dog decided to come in here and start chewing on his bone, if you guys hear that. Okay, so let's see, what was this? Rebalancing hair wash. It says truth, lather doesn't mean clean. Okay, so La Mousse Nest Paz. I wish I could read that. I can't. Let me stop. Okay, so live your best hair. Reclaim your beautiful natural hair from the damage, from the daily grind, from the way your hair should look to its healthiest, strongest version, which naturally looks good. Hashtag hair strong. And let's see if I can get it out. Okay, one hand is just harder than it looks. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's really nice and thick, super thick. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to try this rebalancing hair wash. I don't know. I think I'm going to give it a try. But if you've tried this, because I know this was in a previous box or whatever, if you tried this, let me know if you like that or not. I'll see about using that. Okay, and then we have 3 more items in here. Skin-esque Deep Sleep Overnight Mask. Nourish, restore, and illuminate. Deep sea water. Formulated for all skin types. Safe for sensitive skin. Free of parabens, sulfates, synthetic dyes. You're supposed to use as an overnight mask. Apply to the face and neck as the last step of an evening skincare routine. Rinse with warm water in the morning to use as a wash-off mask. Apply a thin layer to clean skin and leave on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water 3 times, up to 3 times a week. So, interesting. This is birch juice. Oh yeah, I said I was going to try this and I didn't try it. I was going to put it on. It's birch juice hydro mist. And it's all in Korean, or yeah. And then it says powered by nature, skin safety tested, exclusive formula, only natural fragrances. And what is that? It's just basically like a facial spray. So what does it say? It says completely replacing water as the base ingredient. Nature birch juice hydro mist contains 91% birch juice, birch tree sap, providing intensive moisturization and nutrients to the skin. This mild formula is safe to use by all ages and skin types. So I can't wait to try that out. I didn't try it. I didn't even spray it. I don't even know what it smells like. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't open that at all. Let's try it out. Ooh, it's nice and misty. Okay, it has a very, very light scent. Doesn't really smell too much of anything. Well, it does have I'll say it has like a real natural scent, like outside maybe. So yeah, but I bet you it feels really nice. I will be using that as well. And then the last thing in here is I love Kate Somerville's products. This is Peptide K8 Power Cream Advanced Anti-Aging Moisturizer. How to use: AM and PM, use twice a day. Apply a thin layer to face and neck, use alone or layer over a treatment serum. If you need a moisturizer, this would be perfect. Her products are so nice. I really like this. So if, like I said, if you need a moisturizer, check this one out and add this in your cart, because you'll probably fall in love with that. Okay, you guys, so that's everything in this box. I'm always going to give Fabfitfun a big thumbs up. They have one of the best boxes out here. Absolutely love them. You will get all of your money back and then some when you subscribe to them. And this is the perfect time to sign up for their box, because the Christmas box is coming. And I'm telling you, if you want a gift to yourself, Or you know what you can do, if you have family members, your mother, your sister, your auntie, somebody in your family that you just don't know what to get them, and you know they love beauty products or getting fit or whatever, sign up and send them the Christmas box. Send them the Christmas box. They will love it. They will love it. Oh my goodness. And then get you one too. It's a fast way to just get rid of all that shopping and everything. Just send them a Fabfitfun box. I'm telling you. But okay, I'm done. Don't forget, check the link down below for your $10 off if you do that. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys real soon in another video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.